Hi, I'm Rebecca Avery, Category Manager for PPE at MSC, and we're here in New Orleans at Safety 2019. We'll be walking the floor to a few of our partners to see the newest innovations. Come join me.
We at National Mark are a premier safety identification supplier, and we deliver quality products across the country quicker, faster, and more efficient than anyone else. The biggest challenges for the safety managers today is they wear multiple hats. So what we do is we help them in certain applications within 5S, lockout, tagout, and slip, trips, and falls. A breakthrough product for us is stock shadow boards. What we have here is a customized tool board that works anywhere from a job site into a maintenance shop where the maintenance technician can track and have the tools readily accessible so when they use them on the production floor and they know exactly where to put them back. The value to having the safety tool boards is to track your assets, to reduce your expenditures on your consumable items. You always have a designated spot to pull from and to put back. The game changer is each one can be unique and tailored to their own customer's specific solution and needs that they want.
My name is Dan Bowen. I'm the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for DuPont Personal Protection. We're always trying to develop things that have a fit for specific markets. This particular product, this is Tyvek Hive, something that's brand new for us. Today what a lot of people will do is they'll put on a Tyvek suit because they've got a job to do that's going to require them to be protected from either a dirty job or a hazardous particle, but then they'll put some sort of like a high-vis vest or something else on top of it. With this particular product, they can now just put their coverall on and it serves both purposes. What makes Tyvek so unique is how it's made. Our manufacturing process is very specialized. We make extremely small fibers, spiderweb type fibers of high-density polyethylene, and we spray them down into a thick mat of just tangled up fibers. Then we use heat and pressure to squeeze that together, and that's how Tyvek is made. And what you end up with is a material that's got a number of unique properties for PPE. When you're grinding things or sanding things, you're going to generate a fair amount of particles, and that's where a material like Tyvek will come in. It's a great particle barrier. It's a breathable material. It's air permeable. Everybody says their material's breathable. Tyvek is breathable, but another factor that plays into worker comfort is fabric weight. And Tyvek is actually the thinnest and lightest of all the protective fabrics. So if you put somebody in a thin, lightweight garment, you're going to make it as comfortable as you possibly can. Anytime you're adding PPE to a human being, you're adding the heat burden. Tyvek is a material that gives you a good balance of comfort, durability, and protection.
Hi, I'm Danny Williams with Streamlight. We're a 45-year-old company out of Eagleville, Pennsylvania, where all our products are designed, engineered, and most manufactured on site. Headlamps continue to evolve and increase with hands-free workforce. So what you're finding is traditional headlamps that have been very good over the years, they came with some weight, minimal light output at times, and the run times had diminished. With the LED technologies over the years, we continue to push the envelope, so now we have a lower profile. We've taken about 50+% of the weight out of the product. We're giving you spot and flood capacity for up close and work at distance. And then the run times have enhanced. This light is packaged with a rubber strap that adheres to a hard hat very easily, an elastic strap for someone wearing without a hard hat, if you will. And then we also have a 3M product referred to as Grip Lock, an industrial Velcro, if you will, that locks on. This is our Dually series. This is a light that's done very, very well in a variety of industries. So you have downward cast light here, you have light at your feet. At night when you're walking through a manufacturing facility, a chemical plant, a refinery, you now have about a 6 to 8 foot halo of light with you. So when slip, trip, and fall initiatives are present, this helps you with that. You have forward light on the button on the top too, so you have light out front. You can work them together independently of one another. 24 continuous hours of runtime on 2 AA alkaline batteries. Both these lights that you're looking here meet a safety rating of Class 1 Division 1 rating. You'll often hear intrinsically safe. These meet that. You'll notice that these are products that are very conducive to the workforce.